Imagine an ice cube that could set itself on fire. Not fiction, real. A science experiment meant to heat frozen cities nearly triggered a global disaster. This is the story of burning ice. In 2011, a cold zone research lab in Norway announced a breakthrough, a synthetic compound that looked and felt like ice, but could generate heat when activated. It was self-sustaining, efficient, and completely misunderstood. The idea was noble: help thaw emergency zones after avalanches, polar disasters, or remote rescues. You drop in the ice, it heats up from within and saves lives. But then it began multiplying. Under certain atmospheric conditions, the material didn't melt. It spread, replicated its structure, and began heating everything around it, even metals, even flesh. Scientists called it combustion phase 2. The heat output started increasing exponentially. It wasn't ice anymore. It was an artificial thermal organism, and it wasn't stopping. In 2013, a sealed test chamber was breached. The compound escaped containment. It burned through 5 floors of the lab in under 11 minutes. Firefighters couldn't extinguish it. They had to freeze the entire bill. The military intervened. Project Glacier Lock was launched. All remaining samples were cryo-sealed underground. But some researchers say it already made it out. Small shards, hidden in the ice, waiting. No public records exist of the fire. The lab was quietly decommissioned. The scientists reassigned or disappeared. Some whistleblowers claim the compound was sold to a private defense contractor. Infrared drones have picked up heat anomalies in places it shouldn't exist. Iceland, Antarctica, Siberia, where the ice isn't melting, it's burning. From the inside, it was built to save lives. But what if it was actually a weapon? An ice cube that thinks it's fire, capable of growing, multiplying, and hiding where we'd never expect, beneath the cold. Some inventions never should have existed, and some never stopped. Next, a town where time resets every 3 hours, and no one remembers living there. This is never meant to exist.